Okay, Sugarfoots, I hit the jackpot. Yes! Okay, listen. So, you know Dollar Tree, this item, oh my goodness. Honey, it sells out so quick. The hand sanitizer. So this is a 4 cent. This one is the mocha coffee scented limited edition. How about that? Now they also have the watermelon scented. I think this one will mainly be like for, summertime. And then they also have the cucumber mint scented $1.25. Now these items, they normally sell out really, really quick. And then they also have the hand sanitizer case, $1.25. Tell me Dollar Tree ain't moving they feet. Now, another amazing find is the hand cream Brazilian soul. This is with pistachio and caramel scent. And then they also have the orchid and sandalwood. This is $1.25. I think this is a really, really good deal. This is really a dupe of the Sol de Janeiro. But two of these for $1.25, I mean, that's a steal deal. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Revive Naturally Moisturizing Face and Body Spray, Target's Dry Skin. This is $1.25. Now, this is the first time I'm seeing these headbands. They are so cute. Turkey headbands, okay? Now, these are not really my cup of tea, but these, I like this one. This is really, really cool. Now, these are $1.50. Hey my loves, have you guys seen this from Dollar Tree? This is the LED light. Honey, how fancy is this? Self-adhesive backing allows for versatile placement. Now, motion sensor. Yes, and then it also have the white LED and also requires battery. What I absolutely love about the items like this, it requires no wiring. Only thing you need is batteries, and this is $5. This is a steal. Now, another amazing find that Dollar Tree has is the solar step lights. You get two of these. These are $5. How cool is that? Now, Dollar Tree also have the automatic cabinet light. These are $5. Perfect for closets, cabinets, bedsides, and more. White LED, peel and stick. That's why I absolutely love that it requires no wiring or anything like that. You just peel it and stick it, honey. Batteries sold separately. So cool. $5. Peace family. So today we are at the Dollar Tree in Bloomfield, New Jersey, and right now I am at the holiday floral part. Check this out. Now at this Dollar Tree location, they have the Marie Claire, the eyebrow and hairline powder. This is $1.25. Let me tell you something. Anytime you see Marie Claire, it is always good, okay? Dollar Tree, they have all types of different products from Marie Claire. I absolutely love some Marie Claire. Now, this is really, really good. This is medium to dark. You get 3 of these, the matte and lightweight, perfect for travel. Love this eyebrow and hairline powder. Now, another amazing item that Dollar Tree has is these little decor boxes that you can put like on your dining room table. This is $1.25. Love this. You can also put this on your nightstand, your dresser. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, this is pretty much how it looks in the inside. Okay. And then you just take this and snap it on back, honey. And then they also have lighter colors, medium colors, and then they also have another shape like this one right here. This is cute as well, like this, $1.25. Now, another new item that Dollar Tree has is the Candle Stabilizing Adhesive. Now, and I believe you just put this, oh, wait, hold on, child. I guess you just put this at the bottom of the candle to keep the candle still. Honey, I don't know. All right, use pea-size portion on candle base. Press and twist into holder. Washes off with hot soapy water. Never hardened. Oh, this is good. You know how the candle be hardened? This is really, really good. For $1.25, that's a steal deal. So these items are $1.50. I thought these was $1.75. But anywho, honey, they got some nice items. Look at this. This is what really caught my eyes. Now, this is the assorted bulb stand. Oh my goodness. Looky, looky, cookie, cookie. Oh, and that gold, absolutely love it. They have poinsettias, they have berries, all what you need for holidays. Love this. This is so, so cute. You know, I am a gold girl. So when I see flowers like these poinsettias over here that has the gold, I absolutely love these. Really, really nice. Now, this had caught my eyes. Dollar Tree has the 60-inch skeleton decor. Look at this. This is cute. Really, really nice, especially for Halloween. Honey, that's a noise. Now, another amazing item at Dollar Tree is these value packs. You get 3 of these for $3.25. Honey, that's like $1 and something. Okay, you do the math, child. Now, I absolutely love these. They have the wild lavender. They also have the Hawaiian breeze, the wild berry, and depending on which Dollar Tree you go to, some of them even have 4 cents. Now, this Dollar Tree also have vanilla papaya. Really, really cool. One thing that you have to understand though is if you see the warmers, you're gonna get 1 warmer and then 2 oil refills. Now, if you buy it like this, you get 3 without the actual plug-in. And these are good for airwick, okay? Really good. Now, let me tell you guys something. This is a dupe for Tresemme. Okay. This is the Professional Heat Defense Spray. $1.25. Honey, now, the other day, I went to the beauty supply store, and I had got the actual Tresemme. I think it was like $7 or so. But my loves, you can come and get this, all right? Helps protect hair from moisture loss during heat styling. $1.25. How dope is this? Now, another item that Dollar Tree been carrying is the Softy, Honey Softy everything. Why? Tooth comb. They also have the wig clips over here. If you guys need some wig clips, this is a 10-pack. And then they also have the Softy Wrench Out Wig Conditioner, Coconut and Hibiscus, $1.25. Now, if you go to your nearest Dollar Tree, this stuff is supposed to be $1.25. Okay, I don't know why it's still $3 here, but it has been marked down in majority of the Dollar Trees that I've been to. So Curl and Shine shampoo, coconut and hibiscus, also the Curl and Cream. They had some shampoos and stuff that was like $3 that has been marked down to $1.25. Let me go ask them at the front. All right, my love. So they do still have it here. I guess the people don't know. I don't know. Look at the design is right here, my loves. And look at it. The people, honey, where I live, they done brought the stuff out. Okay, now I see that a lot of people here like the dry shampoo. These are $1.25 now. My loves, have you guys seen these? All right, now I know Dollar Tree had brought these back, had put some of these out last time. These are the LED humidifiers. It comes in different colors. They have the blue. And these are great for desktops, like, you know, at your workstation, or you can even put it in your living room on your nightstand. They also have your nightstand. That would be in your bedroom. Honey, you know what I mean. They also have the green one, and then they also have a pink one. $1.25. Love this. Now, if you guys haven't seen these cosmetic bags yet at Dollar Tree, these are so gorgeous. They come in about 4 different colors. They have the pink, and they hold, honey, they'll hold the whole pillow. All right. These are so cute, though. They have the pink, the blue, and also the green. And then they also have a light pink. Now, another amazing item that Dollar Tree has is the soda can organizers. To the people that loves to organize their fridge, just organize their, honey, your whole apartment, your whole house is organized. Okay, Dollar Tree definitely has the soda can organizer. This is $1.50. Now, if you need a turntable for your seasonings, Dollar Tree definitely has it. I love this thing. It turns, is $1.50. You can organize your seasonings. This is really, really good. Another item that I cannot stop raving about is the sriracha ranch sauce. If you a person that loves like a little spicy sauce that's like creamy, this is definitely for you. All-purpose condiment sauce and dip, so good, $1.25. Now, another item that Dollar Tree started carrying is the Nutella. Now, I believe this is Christmas edition, like my friend Tracy had said, because I was saying, what's the difference with the, color of the tops, right? And I guess it's a Christmas edition, because if you look on here, it pretty much says just the same as ingredients. Now, Dollar Tree also have the balsamic glaze. Now, this is definitely new, I believe. I have not seen this before. $1.50, honey. Hey, my love. So if you guys are looking for holiday decor, Dollar Tree definitely has it when it comes to the Christmas items. They have the 10 LED lights over here. These items are $1.50. They also have the LED window candle metallic base, the LED Xmas shadow projector, and then also the LED Christmas tree that lights up. Love this. And then they also have the LED ornaments that lights up as well. Really, really cool. Now, when it comes to the poinsettias, correct me in the comments, because I know some of you guys say, it's not poinsettia, it's such and such. Honey, tomato, all right? You know what I'm talking about. Now, Dollar Tree has the gold poinsettias, the silver ones over here, the red, whatever color your fancy heart desires. Okay, now they only have like a few colors, like the gold, the silver, the white, red. Love this. And then they also have these tall vases at the bottom, and these are $3. Somebody already started. Oh, I thought they put them in here, but this is cool, especially for those floral flowers that Dollar Tree has. Definitely good. Now, if you guys are looking for tree skirts, Dollar Tree definitely has them. This is the 18-inch tree skirt. These are $1.50. They also have their ornaments. Over here, you get 16 for $1.50. They have blue, red, gold. And then they also have, I think this is like for the bottom of the tree. Hold on. Yeah, the tree collar. Tree collars they have. Now, Dollar Tree also have these ornaments over here. Is 3 pieces for $1.50. They also have the mini tree toppers, which are so gorgeous. Love this. Other ornaments they have 2 pieces. I like these. It put a smile on my face. 2 pieces for $1.50. That comes in different colors. They have the red, the blue. They also have the silver beaded garland Dollar Tree has, and then also another different color of the mini tree toppers. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has, if you are the type that love to have your feet, especially the winter season, you love to have your feet nice and cozy, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have the Marilyn Monroe plush crew socks, 3 pairs you get for $5. They also have these different colors, and then they also have these UGG dupes at Dollar Tree. Now, don't sleep on these, child. These are $5. They are very cozy. Okay, honey, just really cozy, honey. Now, another amazing item that I absolutely love is this glow serum. Love this stuff. This is $1.25. Now, if you looking to be glowed up from the flow up, okay, not torn up, honey, you want to go on and get you one of these. All right. Now, they also have the plump serum with collagen, and then they also have the dew serum. Now, this has hyaluronic acid, hydrates and restore, $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for cream face masks, Dollar Tree definitely has them from Global Beauty. You get 3 of these smoothing hibiscus cream masks with retinol. They also have the hydrating overnight cream mask with collagen, and then they also have a green tea with peptides. They have different ones when it comes to this. I absolutely love this because they have, 3 for $1.25, like the pore detoxing, the clay face mask, the deep cleansing clay face mask, and also the hydrating clay face mask. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has that is fairly kinda new, okay, this is the Farm Stay. This is real oatmeal essence mask, and these are $1.25. If you're looking for a hydrating cream, I love this stuff. This is compared to Olay hydrating night cream they have, but the one that I was using, where is it? Because the night one, it has retinol in there, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. It's the hydrating moisturizer. This one, ooh, honey, you want your face well moisturized? Honey, come and get one of these. Revitalizing compared to Olay Mocha Sculpting Cream. Honey, he over here spraying all of the scents. This is $1.25. Alright, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was the hand sanitizers and all the Christmas decor items. Those were really, really good. Let us know in the comment section what are you guys on the lookout for, or what are some of the items that you recently purchased, okay, that you was just like, okay, because it really, really is over compensated, okay? And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.